guys, back with a video on a Pontiac Torrent, doing a alternator replacement or removal. Depends on what you want to call it. Just the steps I had to get it out, or I'm taking it out. Top shroud has to come off, which is that. To get that off, you have to unscrew the oil filler tube, which is right here. You have to unscrew the whole thing. As you could see, it comes right out like that, and then you could pop off the shroud. But before you do that, you have to remove that, which just has a little plastic tab which pushes out. This little gray tab just pushes out. Just take a screwdriver and like pry it out, and then squeeze it, and then pull it out, pull it that way, and then your shroud will come off. Now working on the alternator, it's right there. You have to get the belt off. First of all, take off your positive cable anytime you're doing any work on alternators and stuff like that. But to the point, we are taking off the alternator. Belt has to come off. This one's actually broken right off. I lucked out that I'm putting on a new belt. But if you look down there, that's where the tensioner is. If you take a 3/8 inch drive, I believe it is, and get it, there's a little square. If you look at this thing right here, this is a pulley, tensioner pulley tool, and it's just a little 3/8 inch drive. And if you look down there at that end right there, that's where you stick this tool into if you have one. But if you have like a long ratchet, I just happen to have a long ratchet like that I can get in there. It's that end that you want to get in there. Get a ratchet in there, and then you could loosen it. It actually pulls up as you're tightening it. As you're tightening it this way, your wrench or whatever you're using. You could also use a pry bar or something, or if you're strong enough to get your hand in there and pull it out. But anyway, that's what you do. You loosen the pulley, take the belt off, and then you have access to your alternator. Now, first of all, you want to take off your tab right there. It's just a little tab like that goes in right there. You pull up on that little tab while it's in there, and then it'll just slide out. You just pull this tab up like that, it'll slide out. And then of course there's a 10mm bolt that's being held on back there for this piece right here. It's for the positive line. That piece right there, that's just a 10mm bolt. Just peel back this rubber on there. That rubber will come back, it'll pull back, and then you just take the bolt off. Then you have 3 15mm bolts. You have one there. Let's see if I could see this one. But you have one back there, which is right there. And then you have one back there, which is right there. And if you look at it from the front, they're both, one's on that side, one's on that side, and they're pretty easy to reach. All I used was this. I'm lucky that I have this ratchet that spins, but you could still get a little ratchet in there, and it works fine. You need a stubby socket. And then once that comes out and loose, you should be able to pull it out. I'll pause the video and come back and show you how I got it out after I loosened all the bolts. Pretty simple stuff, pretty straightforward. But yeah, I'll come back. Hold on a second. So here's the point we're at. We had to remove the whole throttle body, intake and stuff like that, just to get that alternator out, because I tried getting it out with everything in the way, couldn't do it. So I guess you're gonna have to watch my other video on how to take that apart. But anyway, to get the alternator out, you have to take all that stuff out, and then it just pops right out after, once you get it out. And you can just wiggle it until it slides out like that, and then it just pops right out like that. And as you can see, there's the two bolts back there, the one in the front. That's an alternator on a Pontiac Torrent 2006, I believe I said. If not, check the beginning of the video. Thanks for watching, like and subscribe.